Guys, I am Ashika, and in this video I will show you how to use Rabb.it on mobile with full app setup. First of all, you need to open Play Store, then type Rabb.it. Click on it and download it. As I have already downloaded it, I will show you how to use it. Open the app and select the way in which you want to sign up the app. I will use Facebook. So then go to Watch tab, then a plus sign will appear at the top right corner of the window, so click on it and a new window will pop up. Now click on Web Browser tab and enter any URL. For example, I will open google.com. Now see a new. You may check it by going on speedtest.net to that the speed is too high, like that surf the web with a high speed. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel.